Hello and welcome students to the section 1 of the course, Ethical Hacking Course Introduction. Now in this section we are going to take a look at first of all about course overview. Then I'm going to show you a teaser that how you can hack Windows 10 machine. And then I will also tell you some terminologies inside ethical hacking industry. So let's start with the first video of section 1, course overview, how to get most out of this course. In this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. I will tell you about information about course and I will also provide you some guidance. So let's start with the course info. So course is divided into three parts. One is network pen testing, second is web pen testing, and third is application pen testing or app pen testing. So the initial sections of the course are for network pen testing. Later in the middle sections are regarding web pen testing, and the final sections are regarding application pen testing. And also the final section of the course is for exam preparation. So whatever you have learned in the sections or in any other ethical hacking course, I have provided you some multiple choice questions there. Read them and remember those questions for exam. Let's talk about some guidance to how you can start this course. So first of all, you need to create short notes to remember terminology, because ethical hacking is a vast industry and this course contains more than 15 sections. So you need to keep short notes. You need to write short notes so that you can remember terminologies in different sections, right? Perform practicals on virtual machines only. So we will install some virtual machines inside our system. So always try to perform practicals on virtual machines. Boost your self-confidence by performing practicals. So our complete course is basically, it is based on practicals. So you can boost your self-confidence, you can learn more about ethical hacking if you perform practicals yourself. So these are the guidelines for this course. So this is all about the course introduction. In the next video, you can see a teaser how you can bypass antivirus in Windows 10 and hack Windows 10 completely. Thank you.